Alright, it's 9 o'clock. Finally getting out of here. Just got our coffee. She wanted a soda. It's Disney. I'm rolling with it. That's the motto of this vacation. So it's just starting to sprinkle a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't start pouring or we're going to have to like run in somewhere. I hear that the boat's here. I don't know if that means it's coming or going. So I'm going to try to rush over there. My luck, I'll probably miss it and we'll have to wait another 10 minutes. We're gonna have like 3 hours roughly at the park. Oh, yeah, the boat just left. Alright, so we have our coffee. This is our walk to, man, of course that was the big boat too that left. Beautiful, beautiful resort. If you've never stayed here, this is actually our 3rd time and we're coming back in September and staying here. 4th time. Really, really nice.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Waiting under the rain. Might be smart. I don't know. So this is one of the smaller boats. If you get on there, you have to fully. Alright. Last day. Just got to Magic Kingdom. It's 10 o'clock. Took about a half hour on the boat. Alright, we were actually 10 minutes late for our lightning lane, but we could be up to 15 minutes late, so we were able to do that. So we're here waiting for Winnie the Pooh. It just started to rain. Just my little musical. We just finished with Winnie the Pooh and it's like downpouring. Well, it's still not like terrible. I'd probably be standing under an umbrella. So I bought this rain gear last year. Never have a chance to wear it. This is the first time, so I'm kind of excited about that, even though I don't like the rain. But yeah, we're gonna try to do Barnstormer. I don't know that I want to do it in the rain necessarily, but I don't know, might be fun. When at Disney, right? I think it's only supposed to rain this morning and then it's supposed to get sunny, of course, like when we're leaving. So at least then we could like do the pool or whatever. We'll just do as many rides here as we can before we go. So yeah, we're headed on over to Storybook Circus. Here we go. She requested Barnstormer. She requested roller coaster. So here we go in the rain. A new Disney checklist. Are you ready? You sitting up? I've never. It's crazy. I'm like, my feet, I gotta change. Here we go. I got you, Mama. You like it? So much for wearing my hat, right? All right. Good job. All right. We just got done with Barnstormer, and this is just a friendly reminder to bring the rain gear. We were waiting in line for about 20 minutes in the pouring rain. So yeah, definitely great. We had the rain gear with us, so I don't know if they do sell ponchos and all that in the park. I don't know how much they are, and I don't want to know because I imagine they're like 30 bucks. Probably more, I don't know. So I think it's gonna stop, I'm hoping, but yeah, we're on our way over to Pirates. We're gonna ride that again and then see what else is, if there's anything else open. It's getting close to lunchtime, so we gotta decide if we're gonna eat here or just go back and eat at the resort. Alright, so we're gonna put the rain gear back on. Unfortunately, my stroller cover like leaked. I don't know if the wind blew it or whatever, but thankfully I had like a little piece of plastic that I have her sitting on, so she doesn't have to sit in a wet seat. Alright, we just did Pirates, then we just, after that we went and did a lightning lane for Aladdin, the magic carpet ride. I booked that Speedway or whatever. She's never done that before. I don't know, I'm thinking about it. I think the lightning lane is already open right now. I'm gonna head over there. I still want to take some pictures. It's just been crappy out, which sucks because I haven't got any nice pictures of her in her dress. But hopefully we can do that by the time we get to the front of the park. And then I think we'll head back to the resort. Yeah, it's just been a crazy day, but this has never happened for us at Disney before. So it was bound to happen at some point, right? Alright, I gave up on going to the raceway. This one fell asleep. It's been pouring all morning. It's just a little bit much. And they just woke up. Yeah, so 12:38. I'm hoping she goes back to sleep now. By the time we get back to the resort, it's gonna be like probably about 1. The driver's picking us up at like 12:30, and 3:30, and then so I figure we'll just get something to eat over there and maybe go swimming. Yeah, but yeah, by Magic Kingdom, like the rain kind of like put a damper on things this morning, but that's just hit or miss with Disney. So we got to do what we wanted to do, which is good. And now the princess is back sleeping. Alright, so it's about 1 o'clock. Oh, my hair is like looking fierce here. Geyser Point, FYI, is not on the dining plan, so it's a sit down. So, well, it might be on the dining plan, but it's not considered a quick service. So, that being said, how are we gonna go? Let's go this way. So, we're gonna go back to Roaring Fork because I have 2 quick services left to use. And I think Lucia just woke up, so I gotta figure out what she's gonna eat. It kills me. Like 2 different meals on this vacation. I ordered food thinking she was gonna eat it, and they were each like $30. Like 1 bite. $30. I tried to eat as much of her food as possible, but I myself had like a large meal, so that's been challenging. Be nice in September again when my husband will be here to join us. Then he can help with the toddler pickiness or whatever. But yeah, I can't really complain because all the buffets she didn't have to pay for. it was just any of the ones that were like prefix menu, they were charging us like, because it's pretty much like 10 and under kind of thing. Alright, Lucia's still sleeping. It's like almost 1:30. Sorry, I'm getting some lunch here at the dining plan. I got this brisket sandwich. It looks pretty good. Very sloppy though. Hoping we can eat and then hopefully go to the pool for like an hour. I'm just gonna eat this with a fork. This is like way too sloppy. I'm actually still dreaming about my sandwich that I ate over at Riviera at Primo Piano. So good. I wish they had something like similar here. They had a caprese sandwich, which I might get later. I have 1 credit left, and so I'll probably like get one to go so I don't have to pay for food in the airport. So I'll like probably order that right before we leave. Alright, so we're gonna go check out the pool now. 3 times I've stayed here, never used the pool. So we're about to find out. Looks like it has a fun slide. I think what we're gonna do is just go to the splash pad. I gotta find the bathroom so we could change our clothes. Alright, we finally got changed. So, right before you get to Geyser Point, there's like this little kids activity hut. We are not even going to venture in there because we don't have enough time. So Lucia is here. She's a little nervous, but there's like another kid that just joined her. These pools are all like kind of the same. They're just different. Lucia, you need to do the stairs, Mama. Go do the stairs so you can do the slide. Good job. So, there's like, in this little hut by the pool, there's 1 bathroom to change, but otherwise, one of the lifeguards told me that there's like by that waterfall, by that stone thing, that there is, I guess, more bathrooms over there, so. All the little boys helping her. I can't. Young love at the resort. Here. It's like pouring rain. I don't know how I'm going to get her out of the pool. I have 1 more meal to use, so I'm just going to have to do like an order for pickup, and then we're going to have to change in the bathroom and then like get going, but this is going to be the only meal thing. I have everything on the table here. I do have to go get my luggage, so I'm going to change and then go get my luggage, but yeah, this is like what we're working with. I'm trying to pack at the table. Might as well vlog this part of the channel. Mommy, my tummy hurts. We've got Lucia in the back talking about her tummy hurting. We've been in traffic for over an hour. We're gonna get there though. We're gonna get there. Hopefully. We've got an excellent driver. She's doing everything possible.
Mommy, my tummy hurts.
And then her tummy hurts, so we gotta change her diaper when we get to the airport.
Mommy,
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.